to the northern part of Ghana, we have these trees, a lot of them over there. So people over there, or some people here, go there, go and get it, and then they bring it down here to sell to those who do such a thing like us. And in the whole of Ashanti, the only two places that you can get the liquid that you're going to see that you use in printing. Only two places. This place and there's another place here, and that's all. So I don't know. There was a researcher that mentioned its name, botanical name, which is a mouthful. I can't just remember. But locally we call it badie. Badie locally. Okay. Badie. And what they do is that I think I should allow my brother to talk. Yes. Than me go ahead. Alaji, please, I'm taking your job. I beg you.
This home is your home, too. You can do it because you always came here.
Yeah.
Okay, when they bring this one there, they call it badie. And this is the back of the tree. Okay. Yeah, when they bring it down, they use sharp knife to remove the dirty ones out. Then after you turn it, you break down because it's hard. Sometimes the rain season you get it soft, but the dry season you can't get it soft. It's hard. If you want to feed it, you can feed it and see. You break down into smaller pieces. Then when you get a smaller one like this, you leave it in water. I'm gonna take this one. You soak it just ordinary water for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, it comes soft. Oh yeah. Then when you get it soft, there are big mortar here. And these are the pistils. You pound it like fufu.
I know how to do that. I can do it.
Oh, come over.
Yeah.
Go, Camille.
Come over.
Camille. Come on, Camille. What? Wait, let me get this.
Okay, Papa.
Okay.
Yeah, Camille.
Work it. Camille.
One after the other. Oh yeah.
Good. Next.
Okay.
If someone wants to try, try.
I want to try.
Yeah, let's try. Want to try?
I got mine.
Yeah, everyone try.
I want to try. You don't want to
Husband and wife.
Yes.
You have to try.
Right, imagine that.
Rotate. One person pounds, the other person holds it.
One at a time. One at a time.
Oh, did I?
Is that your favorite water?
One, go ahead.
Remember when you were talking about the big bottle?
One, two. Up, down. Stop.
Smash it. Smash it.
Up and down.
Smash it.
1, 2.
Oh, they just want to hold it.
Yeah.
You're crushing it.
This are pistons, these are mortar. This is the mortar, these are pistons. So it has been they described as this is a female, this is a male. Yeah. No, you know what? The funny thing is that when you come here, it is not the men who do this, it is the women.
Okay. Do your 1, 2. Do your 1, 2.
It's not women.
Go
Oh, sometimes it depends on that lady. She's not around. You come and see a lady holding two of them. And you see her doing this. So wow, she's very strong. Lady. She's very strong. Yeah. Okay. Alaji is coming.
On my way.
Okay.
I go.
Amen.
Okay, let's continue. After pounding, you get a soft like this. If you don't get this one, you can't get the color unless you get this.
Yeah.
And when you have this one, please stand back and look here. These are the bases. And this one, you already bought it yesterday. That's how you see here in school. You divide the liquid into two. And when you divide it, you add water, then you put firewood under these bases, then you leave it on fire for 4 hours. And first 4 hours,